All right, good Monday morning, everybody. Hope you had a great weekend. It is off to a nice start in the weather department early this morning. Nice and quiet. Here's a look outside on that Queen City of the Touch camera. It is just a little cloudy overhead, and temperatures to start off the day, as you would expect for mid-July, quite warm. 77 in Lafayette, your temperature now. 77 in Abbeville. Feels warmer than that, of course, because of how humid it is outside. Even have some upper 70s closer to the coast towards Intercoastal City, Morgan City early this morning, with a couple of isolated showers along the coast down towards the south into Vermilion Parish, southern Vermilion Parish, right along the bayou. You got a couple of showers showing up there. The rain coverage will be pretty limited until we get to around the mid-afternoon. Good chance for showers and storms again for the hottest part of the day, which will be around 2 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That's when we should start to get some pop-up summer downpours developing, as again you would expect this time of year. That's just how it goes. During the mid-afternoon we get pop-up showers and storms, and then into the evening they will likely dissipate a little bit. But the clouds and the rain will at least help to keep the intense summer heat at bay, only topping out today around 88 degrees for your high in Lafayette. Most of us getting up to around the upper 80s. 88 your high in New Iberia, Abbeville, Intercoastal City as well. 89 for Opelousas, barely making it to 90 in Ville Platte, but most of us into the upper 80s. Here's how that rain coverage looks. For around 1 o'clock today, it's still pretty isolated nature. A couple downpours here, a couple storms there. That will turn into more widespread thunderstorms around 3, 4 o'clock. That's when I think we have the best chance for rain. But by around dinner time, most of that dies down as we see most of the rain earlier in the day today, and we stay nice and quiet overnight into Tuesday morning. Waking up to partly cloudy skies early Tuesday. Kind of more of the same for tomorrow, just pop-up summer downpours, although I don't think the chance of rain is quite so high for tomorrow. They won't be nearly as numerous tomorrow as they will be for today, so maybe a bit more sunshine expected for tomorrow. One thing we're really keeping our eyes on is the tropics. We do have an area of interest that's east of Florida, a little weak area of low pressure that is likely to track west into the Gulf over the next few days, and as it moves into the Gulf, it has a 30% chance of development. I will say it's not likely to become much stronger than a tropical depression, but regardless of how strong it actually gets, it is likely to bring us some really heavy rain towards the end of the week. Thursday and Friday, we could be getting some pretty respectable rain amounts, enough to possibly concern about localized flooding, especially down towards the coast. Into a place like Intercoastal City, Morgan City, we could be talking about 3 to 5 inches of rain potentially along US 90. So that's certainly something worth watching as we get towards later in the week. At least for the short term, it stays, will stay with essentially more of the same. Typical summer pattern, highs upper 80s, partly cloudy skies early this morning, and scattered thunderstorms developing this afternoon. Mostly clear later on tonight. A stray shower storm possible, before midnight, but I think most of the night should be nice and quiet. Lows in the mid-70s tomorrow morning. A little hotter with a little less rain Tuesday, Wednesday. I think the heat index will be closer to 100 degrees Tuesday, Wednesday before storms become very likely Thursday, Friday.